My darling left me this morning. She left me feeling so low. I'm going on the road, rock river, trying to get all that. Well, hey, choo-choo coming, it's coming down the track. It's taking away my darling, never to bring her back. Lord, no, I can't forget her, so I won't even try. I'll go through life a wondering until the day I die. Well, hey, choo-choo coming, it's coming down the track. It's taking away my darling, never to bring her back. Forget her, so I won't even try. I'll go through life a wondering until the day I die. Well, hey, choo-choo coming, it's coming down the track. It's taking away my darling, never to bring her back.
Thank you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We'd like to say a great big howdy. It's real good to be here to try to put on a little show for you, and we hope you'll enjoy it. Before we go on, though, I want to tell you who the fellas are here on the stage, and I believe the first one we'll start off with, sort of over on my left, would be your right, heavy side of the stage. He comes from the great state of Virginia, and you're a little town called Norton. And ladies and gentlemen, he's all 250 pounds. Of what you see is what you're going to get. The ex-mayor of Norton, Virginia, Mr. Jack Cook. Let's make him welcome.
Some folks like the summertime, they can walk about, rolling through the meadow green is pleasant, there's no doubt. But I'd rather have the wintertime snow on the ground, for I found it when the snow's on the ground. I traced some little footprints in the snow. I found little footprints in the snow, Lord. God bless that happy day, till he lost your way. For I found it when the snow's on the ground. I dropped in to see her, the must be grand moon. Her mother said she just had died. Be returning soon, 'cause every time the snow falls, bring back the memories. For I found it when the snow's on the ground. I traced some little footprints in the snow. I found the little footprints in the snow, Lord. God bless that happy day, and he lost your way. For I found it when the snow's on the ground. Should have been heaven with an angel band. I know I'm gonna see her in that promised land. 'Cause every time the snow falls, bring back memories. For I found her when the snow is on the ground. I tread some little footprints in the snow. I found the little footprints in the snow. Lord, God bless that happy day that Nellie lost her way. For I found her when the snow was on the ground.
Thank you. Don't give Mr. Cook too big a hand, because if you do, he'll want a raise, and I can't afford to pay him anymore. Jack, that's real fine, though. Footprints in the snow. Ladies and gentlemen, move your cameras over now to the other side of the stage with the gentleman there with the old-time fiddle. And when I say the old-time fiddle, I think he's one of the greatest. He's been a-playing now for many, many years, been all over the country, and I know you're going to enjoy him here tonight. The harder you applaud for him, the harder he's going to work for you. From Rock House, Kentucky, that's Pike County, the old Kentucky fox hunter, Colonel Curly Ray Klein. Curly, when you're hot, you're hot.
That's right, Ralph.
Real fine. What was that, Katie Hill?
A little bit of Katie Hill.
That's a good one. The other gentleman right here beside of me, folks, I really want you to get together and make him welcome, because he's a fine young gentleman from the state of Virginia. Comes from a little coal mining town in southwest Virginia called Richlands. And he's a good singer, good lead guitar player. I know you're going to enjoy him. From Richlands, Virginia, Renfro Prophet. A nice hand for Renfro.
Just because you think you're so hot, just because you think you got something that nobody else has got. You made me spend all my money. You laughed and called me old Santa Claus. I'm telling you, honey, I'm through you because, just because. Well, there'll come a time when you'll be lonely. There'll come a time when you'll be blue. Oh, rich road won't be near you. I'll pay all them bills for you. You made me spend all my money. You laughed and called me old Santa Claus. Well, I'm telling you, honey, I'm through you because, just because. You made me spend all my money. You like to call me old Santa Claus. I'm telling you, honey, I'm through you because, just because. Whoa!
Thank you, Renfro. An old-timer called Just Because. Ladies and gentlemen, the other young man I'd like to introduce to you, standing back on my left, is one of the finest lead singers in the business now when it comes to singing the old-time bluegrass. He really puts his heart in it, and he's one of the finest young gentlemen I ever met, too. And that means just as much as the talent, you know. You need to be a man with it, and I, believe me, right here is one that is. Real proud to have him with us. He was born and raised in eastern Kentucky, way back in the sticks, a little town called Sandy Hook. Let's make welcome Colonel Keith Whitley. Big hand for him.
It makes no difference where I wander, no matter what I say or do. I can't outlive this memory of you, and I'll cry, dear, when I think of you. Somehow you wouldn't let me love you. The plan we made has gone astray. Instead of being blue and lonely, I just think I'll go away. Well, it seems we both could have been happy if things had only turned out right. From now on, each day I'll think about you, and I'll dream of you, dear, every night. Somehow you wouldn't let me love you. The plan we made had gone astray. Instead of being blue and lonely, I just think I
I'll go away. I just think I'll go away.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, friends. We really appreciate that. That's a trio number called I'll Just Go Away. And for the last 2 or 3 years, that's been one of our most requested songs, I guess. Right now, I'd like to kindly formally introduce you to the gentleman that's been doing all the talking, picking the 5-string banjo and singing the tenor and some of the lead, although I'm sure he needs no introduction here tonight or anywhere else for that matter. Been traveling all over the United States and the rest of the entire world for a little over 30 years now. During that 30 years, he's become nothing short of a legend in the field of old-time mountain music, created his very own distinctive style. When you hear one of his records on the radio, you don't have to hear very much of it before you know just exactly who it is. And I believe when it comes right down to that old-time traditional style of picking and singing, that there ain't a man alive to play it and sing it the way he does. This past May, a year ago, at his 7th annual Memorial Bluegrass Festival, he was awarded a Doctor of Arts degree from Lincoln Memorial University. We'd like for you friends to get together here tonight and make him feel real welcome, if you would. One half of the original Stanley brothers, the one and only Dr. Ralph Stanley. Give him a nice hand.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. That's one of the old-timers, played the old-time way. You don't see too much of the clawhammer banjo, I call it, played in bluegrass music today, and I'm proud that I can play it. That's the way I learned to do it, and I still like to play it, and people like to hear it. I'm glad, too, really glad. Thank you. And now we've really got a treat for you. You heard Curly Ray play the fiddle. Maybe a lot of you have heard him sing. I don't know. But I know the ones that have are looking forward to it, and the ones that haven't don't know what you've missed. Of course, Curly Ray now is going to be very ably assisted by his sidekick, Mr. Renfro Prophet. We don't want to undersell Renfro because his fine tenor singing really makes Curly sound good. Curly has been recording some solo numbers on his albums for a long time now, and I don't believe he could sell an album without some solos on him because people really like him and he likes to sing for you. Curly, come on over here to the microphone now and do your big hit song that you've got out, made live in the old Pikeville jail.
That's right, Ralph.
Pikeville, Kentucky.
Spent 2 days in there making that.
Is that right?
Yeah.
And it's called, Would You Leave Me Alone, Little Darling, Leave Me Alone in the Old Pikeville Jail.
And it's bread and water.
Bread and water.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Would you leave me alone, little darling? Leave me alone in this old Pikeville jail. Would you always remember, little darling, that you roughnecks belong to be free? I was captured several months ago, little darling. Been all down in this old Pikeville jail. Now I'm asking of you, little darling, won't you please have someone go my bail? Would you leave me alone, little darling? Leave me alone in this old Pikeville jail. Would you always remember, little darling, that you roughnecks belong to be free? Would you take this petition, little darling, take it over the town just for me? Take it over to the judge and the jury, tell him sign this petition just for me. Would you leave me alone, little darling, leave me alone in this old Pikeville jail? Would you always remember, little darling, that you roughnecks belong to be free? Ho, ho, ho. Lord, Lord. Thank you, music lovers.
Anywhere you see Curly in person, he'll have that album for sale. You can buy it anywhere. Folks, now we'd like to sort of turn on the serious side. If any of you people have been acquainted or listened to Stanley music for the last 30 years, you know we feature a lot of sacred songs, a lot of hymns. We enjoy it, we believe in them, and I think a lot of the people that comes out and sees our shows does too. A fine song we'd like to sing for you now. This is a duet number. Keith Whitley will join in with me and do. We have on record called I've Just Seen the Rock of Ages.
I was standing by the bedside where my feeble mother lay when she called me close beside her, and I thought I heard her say, I've just seen the rock of ages, Jacob's ladder hanging down. I've just crossed the river of Jordan. Now, my son, I'm homeward bound. As we gathered all around her, the tears began to fill our eyes. Then she held me close beside her and whispered softly her goodbye. I've just seen the rock of ages, Jacob's ladder hanging down. I've just crossed the river of Jordan. Now, my son, I'm homeward bound. High breeze blowing on the mountain, where forever she will lay. There she'll rest beside the fountain. There she'll sleep beneath the clay. I've just seen the rock of ages, Jacob's ladder hanging down. I've just crossed the river of Jordan. Now, my son, I'm homeward bound.
Thank you. We hope you enjoyed the sacred song. Another real pretty song I think we also have recorded is called The Beautiful Star of Bethlehem.
Nobody's love like mine. No one's so faithful and kind. Love that is true as the ocean. Nobody loves like mine. Well, they tell me that you found another. Now you be going for rain. I'll be with you, little darling. I've loved you both night and day. Nobody does like mine. No one's so faithful and kind. Love that is true as the ocean. Nobody loves you like mine.
you found another. Now you be gone far away. I'll be looking, little darling. I've loved you both night and day. Nobody's love like mine. No one so faithful and kind. Nobody true as the ocean is blue. Nobody loves you. These lips shall evermore place a kiss upon my brow, but like old and still in death, will you love me then as now? Miss me when I'm gone. Oh, will you miss me when I'm gone? Will you miss me when I'm gone? Will you miss me when I'm gone? You'll plant some flowers on my cold unworthy grave. Come and sit alone beside me when the rose is not in bloom. Will you miss me when I'm gone? Oh, will you miss me when I'm gone? Will you miss me when I'm gone? Will you miss me when I'm gone? When I'm gone. Oh, will you miss me when I'm gone? Will you miss me when I'm gone? Will you miss me when I'm gone?
Thank you very much. That's Willie Miss Me When I'm Gone. That's one of our most popular songs that we've had for several years now. You know, this next song we're going to sing, we haven't sung it too many times. We wrote it in about 3 minutes, and I think we've sung it 3 times before now. Don't know what it's going to do, but we're going to try it out right here and see how you like it. And it's called I'm Gonna Catch a Train and Ride.
thinking of the days gone by, how you left me, little darling, and I'm heading to die.
Oh, leave me if you wish to, and I hope you're satisfied. When my heart starts breaking, I'll just catch a train ride.
The very spot where I'm now standing, I once held you as my own, but the while that old freight train wrecked apart and had me home.
Oh, leave me if you wish to, and I hope you're satisfied. When my heart starts breaking, I'll just catch a train ride. Oh, leave me if you wish to, and I hope you're satisfied. When my heart starts breaking, I'll just catch a train ride. I'll just catch a train ride.
Standing by this lonesome railroad, thinking of the days gone by, how you left me, little darling, and I'm heading to die.
Oh, leave me if you wish to, and I hope you're satisfied. When my heart starts breaking, I'll just catch a train ride.
The very spot where I'm now standing, I held you close, dear as my own, but the while that old freight train tore apart, I had me home.
Oh, leave me if you wish to, and I hope you're satisfied. When my heart starts breaking, I'll just catch a train ride.
Standing by this lonesome railroad, thinking of the days gone by, how you left me, little darling, and I'm heading to die.
Oh, leave me if you wish to, and I hope you're satisfied. When my heart starts breaking, I'll just catch a train ride. I'll just catch a train ride.
Thank you. Thank you.
Your turn when you wrote that.
We appreciate it. We appreciate that. I'll just get your train and ride. Now we're going to call on the killer over on the bass, fiddle. Do us a solo number. How you feeling?
Fine.
Feel fine?
Feel fine.
Feel like singing, don't you?
Yeah.
What do you want to sing?
Sitting on top of
Sitting on top of the world? Jack Cook has sung that song 10 million times. But as long as you want to hear it, he'll sing it 10 million more if he can last that long.
fiddler, Lord, an easy soul. And she gone, but the killer don't wear it. The killer's a sitting on top of the world. The Mississippi River was deep and wide, and when I'm loving's on the other side. Now she come, but the killer don't wear it. The fiddler's sitting on top of the world. If you don't like a peaches, shake my tree. Side my orchard, let my peaches bleed. And she's gone, but the killer don't wear it. The boogers are sitting on top of the world.
Thank you, Killer. Real good. I guess probably now about one more good old-time fiddle tune might just about wind up our program for this time. We really enjoyed being here and hope you've enjoyed something we've had for you. Have you enjoyed Ralph Stanley and the Clinch Mountain Boys? Thank you. I don't know of anybody any more willing or any abler to take us out on a good train ride. And this is one of the best known fiddle tunes, I guess, that was ever written. If the man that wrote this song has drawn his part of the royalties that he should have, he shouldn't have to worry for anything. It's a fine tune, but about every fiddler plays it different. And it was written about a train that run from New York City to Miami, Florida. And it run down through that orange blossom trail down through Florida. And it's called the Orange Blossom Special. And here's Curly Ray Klein to do it. After that, we'll say so long to you.
where you lay down $1 or two. Go around the bend, come back again. There's a jug full of that good old Mountain Dew. Oh, call it that old Mountain Dew. And them that if you did or two. I'll hush up my mug if you fill up my jug with a good old Mountain Dew. Mr. Roosevelt told me just how he felt when he heard that the dry gone through. If your liquor's too red, it'll swell up your head. You better stick to that good old Mountain Dew. Oh,